He is my rough and tough guy, construction guy, hardworking person that we 2 years ago met, and we did a smile design, and I just saw him today, and it was a reminder. You know, he hugged me when he was done, you know, and it's emotional to see him doing good. He works very hard in Anchorage, Alaska right now. So can you say something about the treatment?
It's been life-changing, very altering in my life in a very positive way. And the experience here in Fremont with this dentistry has been extremely well. And the follow-up procedures have been helpful. Appreciate it.
So you had full mouth job done, 8 implants on the top, 8 on the bottom, and the job was finished in 4 to 5 days?
4 to 5 days.
4 to 5 days.
Yep.
It has been 2 years now.
2 years, yeah. And it's been a huge part of my recovery. I appreciate that.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
Right. It changed his life, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Thanks. So nice to see you.
Appreciate you, man.
Okay.
You guys have a good day, and we'll see you in a couple months, okay?
Bye.
Thank you all.